Here we are again, Dad and Ali Cooks. Hi, and welcome to our Friday special. We will just give an enticing twist to most Filipinos' favorite Friday dish. This is GINATAANG MUNGGO with CHICHARON. Just don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. Let's start! Here are the ingredients. We have 500 grams of pata, 2 cups of coconut milk, 3/4 cups of munggo, onions, garlic, chicharon, dahon ng sili, pepper, salt, and nor pork cubes. Let's start! Ang una natin gagawin ay kailangan nating palambutin ang ating pata. Pakukuluan natin ito para ito ay lumambot. Nalagyan natin ito ng 1 liter of water. Kapag nalagyan na ng 1 liter of water, lalagyan natin ng chopped onions. Pagkatapos natin mailagay ang onions, susunod natin ang pepper o ang pamintang durog. And then, ang ating asin. After natin mailagay lahat ng ingredients, tatakpan natin ito. And then, papakuluan na natin. We will turn on the heat and we will let this one boil for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, makikita natin na kumukulo na siya. We will remove the cover and hahaluin natin. After natin mahalo, tatakpan uli natin and we will let it boil for another 20 minutes. Kailangan natin pakuluan at palambutin ng pata para mas masarap ang ating ginataang munggo. So ngayon, habang kumukulo ang ating pata, we will chop our garlic and onion para sa ating paggisa mamaya. After natin ma-chop ang ating bawang at sibuyas, babalikan natin ang ating pata. And this time, kukunin natin siya ulit and we will slice it into small pieces. Hahanguin natin ang ating pata dun sa kumukulong tubig. After natin mahango ang ating pata, ilalagay natin ito sa chopping board para ma-slice into small pieces. Mas magandang ma-slice natin ng maaga yung ating pata para mas madali siyang kainin. After nating ma-slice ang ating pata into small pieces, magsisimula na po tayong maggisa. In a preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then, igigisa natin ang ating bawang. At isusunod naman natin ang ating sibuyas. After natin magisa ang ating bawang at sibuyas, now, together with the munggo, igigisa natin ang ating sliced pata. Ilalagay natin ang ating sliced pata. And we have to saute it together with all the ingredients and ng munggo for about 2 minutes. Para lang mag-blend lahat ng ingredients doon sa ating pata. And after 2 minutes na paggisa sa ating pata at munggo, lalagyan natin ito ng 1 cup of coconut milk or 1 tasang gata. Ititira natin yung 1 more cup na gata or coconut milk at ilalagay natin ito mamaya habang kumukulo na ang ating munggo. So after nating ma-mix and blend lahat ng ingredients together with our gata or coconut milk, ilalagay na natin uli ito sa ating kumukulong pinakuluan na tubig ng pata kanina. After natin mailagay yung ating ginisang pata at munggo, hahaluin lang natin ng bahagya. And then, we will cover this and we will let it boil for about 40 minutes in medium heat para mas lalong mag-blend lahat ng ingredients and mas lumambot pa yung ating pata. So after 40 minutes of boiling, heto na siya. Kita na natin na nag-blend na yung ating coconut milk doon sa ating munggo at sa ating pata. Medyo malambot na rin po yung ating meat. And as of this time, medyo lumalapot na rin po yung ating sabaw. So as of this moment, malapit na pong maluto ito and nakita na natin na medyo nadudurog na yung ating munggo. So this time, ilalagay na natin yung other half or yung 1 cup ng coconut milk o yung ating gata. We just have to spread it all over. And then, hahaluin natin siya ulit. Pag nahalo na natin, we will cover it again and we will let it boil for another 10 minutes para mas lalong maging malasa yung ating ginataang munggo. So after an hour and 10 minutes na pagpapakulo, ilalagay na natin ang ating chicharon. Chicharon will make it so tasty and so delicious. It will give an enticing savory taste dito sa ating ginataang munggo. So tatakpan lang uli natin siya and pakukuluin natin. This will only be for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, nakita na natin na medyo nag-incorporate na yung ating chicharon dito sa ating lutuin. Hahaluin lang natin siya ng bahagya. And after that, ilalagay na natin ang dahon ng sili. This will add a bit spice dito sa ating lutuin. And after natin mailagay yung ating dahon ng sili, we will slow down the heat, we will cover it, and in a few seconds, we will turn it off. And we're done. And right now, we will transfer it sa ating serving bowl. Right now, you will see an enticing, savory, and delicious dish that most Filipinos love to cook every Friday. Pata ng baboy mixed with all the ingredients including munggo and cooked in coconut milk and savored with tasty and yummy chicharon. Cooked from our hearts with love. So this is it, our Friday special, ginataang munggo with chicharon.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Once again, viewers and subscribers, thank you very much and God bless us all. Till the next video, bye!